Hey everyone, welcome to Iconic Chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to explain how to write IUPAC for cycloalkanes and cyclic complex substitution. So listen very properly. Cyclopropane. Why? Because here three carbons. So three carbons means propane. You have to add cyclo. Cyclo is prefix. Clear? Na? Yeah. So this is cyclopropane. What is the IUPAC name? साइक्लोप्रोपेन. अगर कॉमन नेम पूछे तो भी वही होते हैं, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज साइक्लोब्यूटेन बिकॉज इट कंटेन 4 कार्बन. दिस इज साइक्लोपेंटेन and this one is cyclohexane and this one is cycloheptane. So ring act as a substituent if side chain or straight chain contain more carbons than ring. Clear? Yeah. Here 3 carbons, this one contain only 1 carbon. That's the reason this one act as a substituent. First you have to write methyl. Next cyclopropane. That's it. This is also same logic. Ring contain 4 carbons, side chain contain only 2 carbons. That's the reason this is ethyl cyclobutane. Ethyl cyclobutane. Next, same logic. Ring contain 3 carbons, whereas the side chain or straight chain contain only 2 carbons. That's the reason this is ethyl cyclopropane. Next, this is very important. This is the example of cyclic complex substitution. Clear na? Yeah. So just to have a look. What is the difference between this one and this one? Replacement of one hydrogen by methyl group. So this is a subgroup, students. That is why reason you have to give number this carbon. Why? Because this carbon is directly linked to ring. This is 1, this is 2. That's the reason first you have to write this one. 1. First carbon methyl is there. 1 methyl. Next 2 carbons ethyl. Then bracket close. Cyclopropane. So when it comes to cyclic complex substitution, this is the way to write correct answer. Just have a look. Next, some more examples. Yeah, here ring contain 3 carbons, whereas straight chain contain 4 carbons. So straight chain contain more carbons than ring. Then ring act as a substituent. So numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, first you have to write substituent. This is cyclopropyl. At which position? First position. First position optional. Dekha to likho, nahi to nahi. Clear? Yeah. Cyclopropyl butane. This is the answer. If you want to write, you can write 1 cyclopropyl. Yeah. Next, same logic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Ring also contain 5 carbons. What I told you, ring contain, side chain contain equal carbons. Then you should give priority to ring only. Which means this one act as substituent. Yeah. 1 pentyl. Pentyl. 1 pentyl. 1 is optional. Pentyl cyclopentane. This is the right answer. Next, here also same. Yeah, ring is major, but here 2 substituents, here only 1 substituent. That's the reason this is 1, this is 2. One rule is there, na? Increase the substituents, increase the priority. Yeah. So while writing IUPAC, we have to follow alphabetical order. So then it becomes like this: 2 ethyl, 1, 1. 2 ethyl, 1, 1 methyl cyclopropane. Yeah, this is the way to write IUPAC for these compounds. Yeah, this is complex substitution. What is this? Complex substitution. This is also cyclic complex substitution. So listen very properly. Yeah, most of the students confused with the first example. Why? Because here side chain contain 4 carbons, whereas ring contain 3 carbons. Because of that reason, most of the students considering this one is a substituent, but that is absolutely wrong. Why? Because here you should focus on straight chain only. Straight chain contain only 2 carbons. Yeah, These are subgroups. Now tell me, side chain contain how many carbons? 2 carbons. That indication this one act as major group, this one substituent. Yeah. So this is the answer. 1,1 dimethyl, 1,1 dimethyl and total 2 carbons ethyl, cyclopropane. Yeah. Next one, same logic. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write first 1 like this. Next to second position methyl, 2 methyl, total 4, which means butyl, bracket close. Next, ring contains 6 carbons, which means cyclohexane. Yeah. So bromine, chlorine, you have to follow alphabetical order. According to alphabetical order, first you need to write like this. Yeah. 1 bromo methyl and 2 chloromethyl, total 6 carbons, cyclohexane. Yeah. Next questions. Just to have a look. This is a cyclic ring, this is also cyclic ring, but this ring contains only 3 carbons, whereas this ring contains 6 carbons. That's the reason this one acts as a subgroup. Yeah. This is number 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 carbons. Yeah. So this is also type of complex substitution. 1 cyclopropyl, and this one is methyl, bracket close. Next to total 6 carbon means cyclohexane. Yeah, this is the right answer. Same logic. This is also complex substitution. This is 1. First carbon, how many chlorines? 3 chlorines. 1, 1, 1. Trichloro. 1 carbon means methyl. There are 6 carbons, cyclohexane. Yeah. Next, very important example. So, how to write correct IUPAC for this one? So, if you want to write correct IUPAC, you should focus on lowest sum rule. First, we have to give numbering. First number दे दो. मैं इधर से दिया समझो. 1, 2, 3, 4. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को एक डाउट आता है, सर तुम नंबरिंग ऐसा भी दे सकते हैं ना सर, ऐसा ये क्यों दिया? ओके, देंगे इधर 1, 2, 3, 4. कुछ लोगों को और कुछ डाउट आते, सर మీరు నెంబర్ ఇలానే ఎందుకు రాశారు, ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా అని కొంతమంది అంటారు. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, these are the possibilities. First you have to write possibilities. Next to where is lowest sum rule, you have to calculate. That's it. Here first position chlorine, second position iodine, fourth position bromine. 1 plus 2 plus 4, 7. Lowest sum rule 7. Next, here first place bromine, third place iodine, fourth place chlorine. 1 plus 3 plus 4. Lowest sum rule is 8. Next, here first place is iodine, third place is bromine, and sixth place chlorine. Yeah, 1 plus 3 plus 6, 10. So, where is lowest sum rule? First one. That's the reason this numbering is correct. This is the correct numbering system. These two wrong. So, while writing IUPAC, you have to write alphabetical order. Yeah, bromine. 4 bromo. This is the right answer. 4 bromo. Next to 1 chloro, 2 ido, cyclohexane. Yeah, this is the way to write correct answers. Clear? Yeah, carry on.